Before you say anything today, listen carefully. You understand English, but when you try to speak, your mind suddenly goes completely blank. You try again, and again, and again, but the same thing happens. You start thinking, is this correct? What if I make a mistake? Someone is looking at you, waiting for your answer, and you just say, or nothing. And if you don't fix this, this will keep happening again and again. But today, you are not staying silent. Hey, I'm Gwen. Welcome to Fluent Core English. Today, you will open your mouth and speak without stopping. You will speak even if your English is not perfect. Even if your English is broken, you will still speak. But listen, if you don't speak with me, you will go back to silence. So open your mouth and speak right now. Don't think, just speak immediately. Good. Let's start. Say it with me. I speak English. I speak English, even if I feel slow. I speak English, even if I make mistakes. Now don't pause. Say it instantly. I speak English. Good. You are speaking. Next. I am not afraid. I feel nervous, but I still speak. I feel scared, but I still speak. Don't stop. This is important. Next. I just speak. Wait, give me a second. I'm thinking. But I still speak. Even if I don't know the right words, I speak. Next. It's okay. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to sound slow. It's okay to try again. Now faster. Don't think. I speak English. I am not afraid. I just speak. It's okay. Now, softly. I speak English. It's okay. Now, strong. I speak English. I don't stop. Take a breath. That is your real voice. Did you feel that change? Now, we go deeper. Don't skip this part. Say it with me. I make mistakes, but I keep speaking. Wait, I made a mistake. Let me try again. I try again, and I keep going. Now say it without stopping. I make mistakes, but I keep speaking. If you stop now, your speaking will not change. So keep going. I speak, even if I'm wrong. I don't stop, even when it feels hard. I speak anyway. Even when my voice feels slow, even when I feel unsure, I still speak. Now faster. Don't pause. I make mistakes. I try again. I keep speaking. I don't stop. I speak anyway. Good. That was strong. You are not silent anymore. You are speaking. Now, Talk about yourself. Repeat after me. I had a good morning today. I had a slow morning today, but I'm here. Now your turn. Don't stay silent. Say something. I had a blank morning today. Good. That is real English. Say it again, without thinking. I had a morning today. Next. I'm a little tired, but I'm ready. I feel tired, but I still speak. Now say it instantly. I'm a little, but I'm. Even if it's not perfect, say it anyway. Say it again. Slow, clear, real. I'm a little blank, but I'm blank. You don't need perfect English. You need speaking English. Stay with me, because next, someone will ask you something, and this time, you will not freeze. I speak, even when I'm unsure. I speak, even when I don't feel ready. This is how I grow. This is how I grow. This is not practice anymore. This is you changing. Now, all together, don't hold back. I speak English every morning. I am not afraid anymore. I can speak freely. I speak even when I'm not ready. This is my voice. Breathe. Now, real life starts. The moments that make you nervous. This is where most people go silent, but you won't. Say it with me. Situation 1. Hi, my name is. Hi, my name is Anna. Now your name. Say it. Hi, my name is. Good. That's your voice. Situation 2. Someone speaks too fast. You don't understand. Don't stay silent. Say this. Sorry, can you repeat? Sorry, can you repeat that? This one sentence will save you again and again. Situation 3. Someone asks you something. Your mind goes blank. Don't freeze. Say this. Let me think. Let me think for a second. That's okay. That's human. Situation 4. You say something wrong. You feel embarrassed. Most people stop here, but you don't. Say this. Sorry, let me say that again. I mean, let me try one more time. That is not weakness. That is a speaker. That is you. Situation 5. Sometimes you just want to be honest. I'm learning English. I'm learning English. Please be patient. There is nothing weak about this. This is brave. Situation 6. Someone does something nice. You want to say something, but words don't come. Say this. That's really great. You did a great job. I really appreciate that. Speaking kindly is powerful, and you just did it. Last situation. Someone invites you. You can't go. Say this. I'm sorry. I can't make it. Thank you for the invitation. Maybe next time. Saying no kindly is a real skill. Now you have it. Now, feel this. I feel nervous, but I speak anyway. I feel nervous. My voice shakes, but I still speak. I feel better, and it gets easier. Every time, it gets easier. One more time. I feel nervous. My voice shakes. I speak anyway, and it gets easier. Listen. I used to feel afraid. I didn't speak, but I kept showing up. And one day, the fear became smaller, but my voice was still there. That is you. Still here, still speaking, still growing. Now one last round. Don't stop, just go. I speak English. I am not afraid. I keep speaking. I speak even if I'm wrong. I don't stop. Faster. I speak English. I am not afraid. I keep speaking. I speak even if I'm wrong. I don't stop. Good. That was real. You didn't just watch this. You spoke. Most people wait until they feel ready. But you speak first, and confidence comes after. 1 week from now, this will feel easier. 1 month from now, you will speak without fear. And it started today. If you really want to speak English, not just understand it, then don't stop here. Subscribe to Fluent Core English because every day we speak together and every day you become better. And don't miss the next video because next you will answer real questions without freezing. Don't go back to silence. Start speaking today. See you in the next session.